Hi boys and girls, it's Miss White again. Today we are on lesson 104 and it looks like this paper right here, so make sure you have that out and you have your name on it. We're going to get ready with our spelling sounds. All right, number 1, we have th, that's TH. Number 2, we have g, G. Number 3, we have E. Ooh, they're giving us some easy ones again today, aren't they? Number 4, we have th. That's also TH. Number 5, we have D. That's D. Or as a final sound, it could be D or ED. Number 6, we have T. So that's T, or also as a final sound, T or ED. Number 7, we have P. That's P. Number 8, we have ng. That's that NG. Number 9, we have Z. That could be Z, comma S. And number 10, we're going to sneak in here N. All right, go ahead and make sure you have those all down before we move on. We're going to spell a couple, oopsies, we're going to practice spelling a couple of words. All right, we are going to spell on number 11 the word old. Remember, this is one of those wild colt words. Old. O-L-D. Number 12 is going to be find. This is also a wild colt word. Find. All right, make sure you have those two down. And we're going to move on to our new digraph that we're learning today. Let's look at these words. We have toad, roast, and coal. What do you notice in there that's making that O sound? We have O-A, right? And all of them. That's what's the same in each one. When we code this, we're going to code it, underline it to show the digraph, because that's what we do with the digraph. And then we're going to cross off our A's and put a macron on top of our O to show that it says its name. All right, and then our picture card for this to go along is up here on the corner of your paper. I'm sure you can see it. It's a bar of soap. So when we see that, we'll know soap, O, and it's the digraph O-A. Alrighty, let's practice spelling a couple of words that have that O-A in it. We're going to spell on number 13, boat. So we have B, B, and then O-A, T, boat. Number 14, float. O, T. Number 15, soapy. O-E. That E at the end is the Y. All right, make sure you have these down, and then we're going to code our words on our worksheet. Our first word to code on number 16 is grown. Grown. All right, we're going to underline our digraph. Cross off the A and the O gets a macron. That's all that one needs. Number 17, foal. Do you guys remember when we had fawn? A foal is a baby horse. So foal, we're going to underline our digraph, cross off our A macron on our O. Number 18, coaching. Here we have this ing suffix. See, that word could look a little intimidating, but we know ing is a suffix, and we're just going to box it off. We're going to underline our OA digraph, cross off our A, and macron on our O, underline our CH digraph, and then our C gets a K back because it makes that K sound at the beginning, right? Number 19, throat. Again, underline our digraph OA, cross off the A, macron on the O, and then we have our TH digraph we underline as well. Number 20, toasting. Again, we have that ing suffix. We're going to box off. Here we have our OA digraph. We're going to cross off the A, and the O gets the macron. Go ahead and draw a line to the picture that matches over there. Hang on. I forgot to hold this up for you, so we're going to redo this one real fast in case you need it. All right, sorry about that, boys and girls. Make sure you write it down. Let's move on to our second set of coding. All right, 21, we have dishes. Look at that ES suffix. We're going to box off our SH blend, and our I is vowel consonant, gets a macron, a breath. 22, powder. Here we have that vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. We also have our OW diphthong, so we're going to do a little arc there. We're going to draw a line between our two consonants, and our ER combination gets an arc as well. So we do arcs for combinations and diphthongs. I think I've mentioned that, but just in case. Beehive. Beehive is a compound word. It's a bee and a hive. We're going to draw a line between bee and hive. We're going to underline our EE digraph, cross off our second E because it does, and the first E does the talking. Here we have I consonant E, so our sneaky E goes away, and our I gets a macron. 24, snowplow. Snowplow, again a compound word, snow and plow, two words on their own. So we'll draw a line between snow and plow. Here we have our two diphthongs we're going to underline, and that's all we got on that one. Here we're actually, hold on. This is our OW digraph. And that's gonna get a macron. Our W is silent in that one because it's not saying how we have ow here, where it's not snow plow, right? So underline that. 25 is interruption. Whoo, big word. This is bringing back our multiple syllables. Here, first we're going to do our final stable syllable, T-I-O-N. Then we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. We have that vowel pattern there. We're going to draw a line between each of the groups of consonants there. Here we have our ER combination we're going to underline, and then here we have vowel consonant, our U gets a brev, and vowel consonant, our I gets a brev. That's a big one. Here it is. Make sure you pause so you can take a minute to get it down. All right, let's look at our worksheet on the back and see what we have to do. Today our assignment is similar to what we've been doing. You're going to pick something and say what it is doing. There's 4 lines, you need 4 sentences. All right, so the cat is, what is the cat doing? Peering. The cat is peering into the fish tank. So there could be your first sentence and then say what each other thing is doing. All right, I'll see you on the next video.